One way to make money in crypto is to study what works, copy it, and make money. It is just that simple. This wallet right here spent about $6,000 and made about $500,000 US. What did they do? Let me show you what they did. Down here, we can see that if I have it zoomed in, we can see that on the 28th of June, they got into this token right here, Pepe2.0. They spent these quantities right here to get this much of Pepe2.0, right? As you can see right here, on the 28th of June, don't forget, they spent about $6,000. If you compute that on your calculator, you're gonna get roughly that figure. And same day they started selling. If we open that, you can see they were exchanging their Pep for ETH, and they made about $10,000 US. The first transaction, and second one, as you can see right here, they made about $18,000 US. If we open that, you can also see it, $10,000, $18,000. Now this is where things start getting interesting. Made about $38,000 US from a $6,000 investment. On the 30th, they started reinvesting that amount. You can see here they spent $12,000, $12,000, and $25,000 US to buy more Pep tokens. Who does that? Pep2 tokens. You made some profit. Instead of leaving, they decided to reinvest. Look at what happened. They also reinvested again, $9,000, $11,000, $8,000 into this meme token right here, Pepe2.0, and they were doing that as if they knew something was about to happen. Look at what happened next. They started cashing out on the 7th of July. Look at the profits, ladies and gentlemen. $77,000, $12,000. They were selling their Pepe2.0 tokens. 12,000, 38,000, 38,000, 38,000, 38,000. Let's have that zoomed in so you can see it very clearly. Okay, 38, 76, 38. I actually computed all of this right here, and as you can see right here, I added the figures, all of them, and that came to about $398,000 US, roughly $400,000 US. Remember, they made all of these profits from just one meme token, Pepe2.0. There are a lot of them out there: Pepe2.0, Pepe3.0, Shib2.0, DOGE2.0. So you can see this wallet makes making money look very simple, and you can do the same thing. All you need to do is to copy a wallet like this. Anytime they make a trade, you do the same thing. If they put $10,000 into a project, if you can afford to lose just $50 or $100, you do the same thing. That means if they make a profit, you're gonna make a profit, okay, according to the money you invested. That is how to do this thing, okay? I'm gonna link this wallet in the description of this video in case you want to study this wallet and follow their trades. Of course, don't forget, you're not always gonna be in profit. Sometimes they would lose. If they make any loss, you're also gonna make a loss because you're copying their trades, okay? So that's why it's important you only invest what you can afford to lose. So how do you copy this kind of wallets? All you need to do is to click on add wallet right here. I already have it added on this app, okay? If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. So I'll be sharing better wallets than this so you and I can make money from cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is it for this video. This is Briggs LBs and Ken signing off.